TGO Traders Wiz here with today's market SITREP. Heading up to Buffalo, New York, beautiful Buffalo, New York, to give a keynote tomorrow to the Entrepreneur Organization of Western New York. So looking forward to hopping on our airplane later today. However, want to talk about closing our Full Throttle program. Yesterday afternoon, we did our final Full Throttle open house session, taking a look at the squadron. About 300, 400 traders in the room. Took a look at a bullish double vertical on SDS, Sierra Delta Sierra, trying to protect traders in this market between now and January with a potential pullback. We're really starting to feel the market running out of airspeed here towards the end of the year. Morgan Stanley last week said this Christmas would be the weakest in 5 years. Walmart rolling out today with a $98 TV, also saying they expect to see the weakest holiday season since 2009. So the Fed is obviously not going anywhere anytime soon. We have a 2-day Fed meeting, middle of December. But we're starting to feel this market really move sideways. Biggest thing on our radar today is the release of the Fed minutes, okay? So, and we have a bunch of Fed folks speaking today, also existing home sales and some retail sales. But all eyes are going to be on the Fed minutes, especially because the last Fed meeting, the minutes from this meeting, might detail how the Fed would have dealt or would deal with a debt ceiling crisis, because that's the last time they met. And it'll be very interesting to see if they have any commentary on what they could do. Ben Bernanke's testified or said before that, hey, we can't really help the buffoonery in Washington. We have a government shutdown. There ain't really a lot we can do. The Fed could maybe, it's a sucking chest wound, and I might be able to put my hand over it, but we're not going to be able to do that much. So it should be interesting today to see what the Fed thought around the government shutdown. But also the biggest thing we're going to be looking for in the minutes is guidance and what they're thinking about doing and when with quantitative easing. Because as you all know, folks, you all live on Main Street. Things aren't good out there, whether it's underemployment, folks on disability, the poverty rate, food stamps, Obamacare. We just know that it's an absolute train wreck out there. And for the Fed to leave anytime soon would cause this market to implode. If the Fed leaves based on good news and everything's going great, well, I think the market's fine. Either way, we're going to pound the hell out of it here at Top Gun Options. Our weekly options, 3 weekly options trades that I put on Monday morning are up $3,000. Maximum risk of $15,000, $5,000 per trade, and we're already up $3,000 with a potential. We still have a lot to go. In here, I mean, hell, we could see 2, 4, 6, $5,300 in profits this week alone in weekly options. Again, folks, wrapped up Full Throttle yesterday afternoon. I haven't spoken to my ops team this morning. I don't know if we have any slots yet. While the page isn't closed out here, we might have 1 or 2. Go to topgunoptions.com/full-throttle to grab one of the last remaining slots, or if you're interested and you want to talk to somebody, you can call 888-308-2112. Okay, I got to run doing a wealth creation with options live trading session this morning at 9 a.m. before I head up to Buffalo there. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow from gorgeous Buffalo, New York. Happy hunting. Make sure you hedge and keep an eye out for those Fed minutes. We'll see you.